Hello. In this problem, we're going to draw a circle of radius 4 first, and then we're going to draw an inscribed hexagon, and then find the area of the hexagon. So let's get it started. First, make sure that under the object snap, the quadrant option is checked. So it is checked here on my computer. Let's go to the circle tool and click the center radius option. Click anywhere on the screen, type 4 as the radius, the center, and then click that little arrow next to that rectangle to look for the polygon. So click polygon, and then you have to enter the number of sides. So the default here is 4. Type 6 since it's a hexagon. Press enter, and then specify the center point of the polygon. So we're gonna specify the center of this circle. So if you don't see the center point, you may have to move your cursor around the circumference of the circle. So once you see it, click that center point, and then you have to specify whether you want a circumscribed hexagon or inscribed hexagon. So since we are going to do an inscribed hexagon, so you just simply click inscribe in circle, and now click that quadrant snap point. Okay, so we are almost there. Now we're gonna put some hatch inside of the hexagon. So click on the hatch, click inside, and let's put the shade and color the way it looks here on the problem. So I'm going to click on the settings here, and then under the pattern, I'm going to select solid, and then click on the color and select that cyan color. Click OK and press enter. Now click on that hatch, right click, and properties, and it should give you the area 41.5692.